Hi, today we're going to be making stars. They're kind of 3D and they're made with folded paper, folded cut paper. So today what you're going to need, you can make them out of notebook paper. This one actually I used a Post-it note to make it out of that. And then you can decorate them however you like at the end. I've used pattern and line patterns to decorate mine. Okay, so today what you need is a piece of paper. I'm going to be using notebook paper today and a pair of scissors, and that's it. Okay, it's fairly simple. When I'm using notebook paper, I like to cut the holes off first, just so they don't turn up someplace where I don't want them to be. Then, because we need a square today, we're going to be taking the rectangle, take the corner of one side of the rectangle, and I'm going to bring it down to the bottom like this and rub back and forth so you have a triangle and a rectangle. You're going to use your scissors and you're going to cut off the rectangle so that when you open that triangle, you have a square. Okay, stars are fairly easy to make. They're not too many folds. You're going to start by bringing the bottom up to the top like this. Okay, try to be sure the folded side stays towards you and the open and closed side is away from you. Then I'm going to bring this top corner down here to the bottom like this and rub back and forth so I have a square here and a triangle here, okay? Then I'm going to open it up and I'm going to bring, this is the fold I just made. I'm going to bring the bottom of the fold up to the top of the fold that I just made like this, okay? And it's going to leave us an X right here, okay? Here's the center point of that X. This corner all the way over here now, I'm going to bring to the center point of that X and I'm going to hold it with my finger. Now it's kind of awkward because it doesn't make a natural shape. It makes kind of a triangle up here and it's not really a nice fold, okay? So it's going to be kind of a silly fold, but it's right as long as this corner is right here in the middle of your crisscross, okay? All right, so next, please turn it so it's up and down. The crisscross is right here. There's going to be kind of a diagonal right here and this little piece right here, okay? Next, we're going to line this side up here, right here, with the top right here, okay? So I'm going to bring this edge up to this edge like that. And now it does make kind of a nice triangle, okay? All right, make a nice hard fold, rub back and forth a little bit. All right, next, this edge right here is going to line up with this edge like that, okay? So this edge, I'm going to bring right here and line it up with that edge like that, okay? So we should have a triangle here and a triangle here and some more awkward shapes here and here, okay? All right, so next, I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it back like this, okay? So if you want an easier way to think about it, you just turn the whole thing over and fold this bottom part up like that, okay? So what we did was we took the whole shape, turned it over, and then here's the point, here's this side. We're gonna line this side up with this side like that and rub back and forth. Okay, so we're done basically. We just need to make a cut. And it's gonna feel like we're cutting most of it away, which we actually are doing, okay? So we're holding it so that there's a triangle like that. There's kind of an awkward shape up here and an awkward shape up here, okay? Where we're going to be cutting, I'm gonna draw a line. You don't have to do this, but I'm drawing the line so you can see where we're going to be cutting. I'm gonna be starting here and I'm gonna cut right over like that, okay? So you don't have to draw the line, you can just use your scissors. This point here over to this edge here like that, okay? And this, the bigger piece you're getting rid of, you're keeping this nice small little triangle, okay? You're gonna open it carefully, and in order to make our stars stand nice, we're going to re-bend some of the edges, okay? And what I mean by that is the longer points are the ones where you want to make sure they're folded up nicely, okay? So just about every other one, you're gonna have to refold it just a little bit, not too much, to make it so that your star can stand up nice and all of the points will be nice for you, okay? And it's that simple. You can just go around folding them like Mrs. Zan is doing, just to make sure that all of the edges or all of the points are nice. And then once you've done that, you can start thinking about how do you want to decorate it. And there's just infinite ideas as far as your creativity will take you, okay? So be creative and have fun with your 3D stars. Bye.